Today, I'm showing you how to customize your iPhone home screen to look like this. Super clean, super minimal, and honestly, way more functional than having a cluttered mess of apps everywhere. This is for those of you who like this dark theme with vibrant colors and simplicity. The best part, no jailbreak needed. This works on iOS 18 or pretty much any recent version, and we're doing all of this in just a few minutes. So let's get right into it. All right, before we start customizing, let me explain the vibe we're going for here. Most people have like 5 or 6 home screen pages packed with apps. But here's the thing, I genuinely can't believe how many people don't use the app library. It's already organized for you. So what I do is keep one main home screen with just my essentials, and everything else lives in the app library. Plus, search is so fast on iPhone that you don't even need Netflix or something else sitting on your home screen, right? Just swipe down, type net, and boom, you're in. Everything's pretty much available at one click or one swipe. Simple, clean, that's the goal here. Alrighty, step 1, we're setting up that dark theme with a black wallpaper. Go to settings, then click wallpaper, and now click add a new wallpaper. Next, you're gonna select color right here, and since we're going for a dark theme, go ahead and choose the black icon. Then you're gonna swipe all the way to the left until you see this vibrant option. And next, let's go ahead and drag the bottom left corner of the clock all the way down as far as it can go. Check that out so far. Here's the classy look we're going for. Lastly, just add it and you'll notice it's already set as the wallpaper once you swipe out of everything. We're already off to a great start. Next up, let's remove these red notification badges because honestly, they ruin the whole aesthetic. So here's what I do. I turn off badges and sometimes notifications too for any app that's not communication from actual people. So like Facebook, for example, no badge. YouTube, no badge. Instagram, definitely no badge. Basically, if it's an app with an endless scroll feed, I don't want it screaming for my attention. Go to settings, then click notifications, and then go through your apps one by one. Turn off badges for anything that's not a messaging app or something you genuinely need alerts for. Trust me, your home screen will thank you. And your mental health probably will too. Plus, just look at your home screen now. Doesn't it look so much better without them on? Now, let's talk icons. We want them big, we want them dark, we want that pro vibe. Press and hold on your home screen until everything starts wiggling. Tap the little edit button in the top left corner, then hit customize. You'll see these 2 squares right here, which are basically small and large. We're going large. It looks way more premium and honestly easier to tap. Then make sure dark is selected for your icon appearance. This darkens your app icons automatically and matches perfectly with our black wallpaper. Now let's tap out of this and look at that instant glow up. The next thing we are going to do is kind of start from scratch. So remember, at the end of this video, we're only going to be working with one home screen. Long press on your home screen, then swipe to the right until you see a blank page. Now, while this is still in edit mode, I want you to swipe to the right and you should be in your app library. Press and hold on an app, then slightly drag it to the left and drop it on your empty page. So we want a total of 12 apps here for this video. These will be 12 apps that are essential to you. Let me go ahead and do mine real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, now we have our favorite 12 apps selected and placed on our screen. Let's move on to the next touch, widgets. Long press on your home screen again, tap the plus button in the top left and browse through your widget options. I like adding a calendar widget, it keeps me organized. When you swipe to the right, there's this rectangular option which I like because it adds a pop of color to break up all of that black. You could also add a weather widget, a photo widget, whatever works for you. The key is not to go overboard. We're keeping it minimal, remember? 1 or 2 widgets max. Position them where they look good and you're set. Now for today's layout, we're gonna place the rectangular calendar widget right here in the middle. And now I'm going to position the apps in like a border around the screen until we have this final look. I don't know about you, but I love this. Super professional and classy. All right, now here's something really important. We need to clean up those old cluttered home screen pages you probably still have sitting there. Long press on your home screen until everything starts wiggling. Then look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see these little dots showing how many pages you have. Tap on those dots. This brings up a view of your home screen pages. See all these pages with apps scattered everywhere? We don't need them anymore since everything's in the app library. Just uncheck the pages you want to hide. I'm gonna uncheck all of them except for my new clean page we just created. Hit done, and just like that, all those old pages are gone. Now, when you swipe, you go straight from your one clean home screen directly to the app library. No more endless swiping through random apps. This is the key to keeping things minimal, one page. That's honestly all you need. And real quick, let me show you why the app library and spotlight search are game changers. Because when you swipe to the right past your home screen, everything's already here, even organized by category. Social, productivity, entertainment, it's all automatic. So you literally don't need 47 apps on your home screen. Keep your essentials on one page and let the app library and spotlight search do the rest. Because let's say you want to quickly access an app that is not a part of the 12 on your home screen. All you need to do is swipe downwards. This is called spotlight search. As soon as you start typing the name of that app, boom, here it is right here. Honestly, this is quicker than navigating through 5 different home screens. And there you have it, a simple, aesthetic, dark theme iPhone home screen that actually makes your phone easier to use. Black wallpaper, no badges, big dark icons, a clean widget or two, and everything else is in your app library. That's it, that's the formula. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next one. Also, drop a comment and let me know, are you team minimal home screen? Or do you like having all of your apps visible on a bunch of different home screens? I'm curious to know, and I will see you in the next video.